Hi guys! Welcome to our vlog.
Ako si Minami.
And I'm Fred and we are
Frenami! Yay! Yeah!
What?
So for today's video, we will continue the story of how I became coupled with my Japanese wife. We're excited to share to you yung mga sagot sa tanong. Excited na kami i-share sa inyo yon. So, ano? Oh!
First question. When did we start noticing each other?
I started noticing you when the time that I invited you for a drink one night, but I was ghosted that time. And then on the following day, sa work, we met and then I didn't talk to you. I avoiding you that time. And then you talked to our coworker and asked if I'm angry. And then that coworker talked to me secretly and said, "To, galit ka ba kay Minami?" I said yes. And that time I noticed you, that you care for me about my feelings. So I started chato nang ka. She's care for me if I'm got angry. How about you?
私の場合はなんかちょっとずつ朝あなたが早く来た時に私にブレックファーストくれたりとか、一緒にランチ食べる時にランチ作ってくれたり、帰る前に私のディナー作ってくれたり、バッグ持ってくれたりとか、そういうなんか細かいことをどんどん積み重なってちょっとずつ気になっていたかな。で一番大きなきっかけはナインウェーブス覚えてる、従業員の複数人で行って帰る時、あなたさ私に聞いたでしょ、あなたの家泊まるって。でその時に私はもしかしてこれを聞くってことは私のことちょっと好きなのかなって思って、それが意識し始めたきっかけ。
I remember. でも、招待した理由は、私の家は近いからその時、and I want to show to you. それだけ。
それだけ？
それだけ。
私のこと少し気になってたからじゃない？
ない。
なんで？
Because I just want to show and then I want you to experience the life of a poor. そ
いや、
れだけ。
それ私の勘違いじゃん。
ano na? False alarm.
Next question.
はいはいよいよいよいはいよいよい
What did we do get each other attention?
I always wear good clothes. Even I bought it in a cheaper price like in Ukay-Ukay.
Ugay!
I always dress properly to look decent and to get attention. Uy, pogi.
Uy, pogi!
Nakatawa.
私は、なんもない。これは私の意見ね。ほとんどの人はアプローチしてほしいって思ってると思う。そのアプローチしてこなかったら何も始まらないと思う。フィリピーノってさ、結構さ、アプローチしてくるじゃん。アプローチされるとちょっと意識するから、それはいいと思う。
I see. So, the Filipino should do first move. Because don't expect that Japanese will make a move. If you don't talk to them, they will not talk to you. If you don't approach them, they will not approach you. So, yung kanji. So, if you like someone, the Japanese, you should approach first. And then once you get along, make a move.
Next question. Where did we go on our first date?
It's not totally official first date, but we went out for buying furnitures because you're starting to move for a new condominium unit, diba? No one accompanied you that time, so I initiate. We went to market in Bigis. I still remember the feeling. It's nervous because I don't have money. So how can I pay? But if you're expecting a treat from me,
何もエクスペクトしてなかったよ。ただ手伝ってもらいたかっただけ。
それ、
でも楽しかったね。
楽しかった。
初めてのデート。Next question.
はい。
What did you think when I asked you to live together?
Just to share short story how she approached me to live together because I live in San Mateo and it's far from the office. It takes 4 to 5 hours travel every morning. I decided to move because yung nilipatan niya na condominium unit is company house. Yun, I grabbed the opportunity to leave when you asked me. But it's a bit weird for me because that time I'm the only one who will start to live with you. Nervous because it's my first time to live with my boss and excited because it's my first time to live in the condominium. Syempre, it's an opportunity, di ba? Sino ba naman yung ayaw tumira ng condominium because I live in a poor place. So, I want to experience upgrade of life.
But その時特に私のこと好きだからとか気になってたからじゃない？
ない。Because その時1ka professional.
Next question.
はい。
How did we handle money and house closer?
For the rent, I didn't give you money because you pay it. For the food, I don't remember I buy.
No. Totally no. I bought everything.
Mata ko, kat.
Hindi mo makarte na yun.
For the household chores, I don't remember that you clean. Did you?
I didn't do anything.
I always clean because you always pay, diba? Like, give and take. You will pay, I will cook. You will buy, I will cook.
Next question. How did you feel when I have to go back to Japan?
We lived together for almost 3 weeks or not less than 1 month, diba? So, hindi pa talaga kami totally close that time and then she needs to go back to Japan. You didn't tell to me directly, but with the group, with the staff. Of course, I will left alone in the house if you leave. So, how I will pay the electricity?
そこ?
Because hitori da kara, so takai. De, watashi no kuyori wa hikui. So, how I...
How the kalabaw?
So, how the karabaw? Then, dumating yung time na I can't pay, so we ended the So, back to Bimbo na. Back to Bimbo na to, pero alam mo yung feeling na nakatongtong ka na sa sa condominium, tapos sabi ko, eto na yun, it's my dream. Like, from this to this, then, nang kakokokara, mata, come back.
Next question ね。私が帰るって言って最後の日、みんなでスタッフハウスに集まってさ、ご飯とあとドリンキングしたでしょ。その時の気持ちは
？I just want to make it memorable because it's your last day in the Philippines with the all staff. I don't want to make it sad.
あなた私のことをなんかたまにこうやって見てなかった？ちょっと気になってたでしょ、私のこと。
本当Because it's your last day in the Philippines, that's why I want to more attention so you don't forget about me.
それが目的なの？なんでちょっと好きだったからじゃないの？あとあなたなんかさ、料理しててさ、包丁でさ、指カットしてさ、私にさ、手切っちゃった。
覚えてない。
手切っちゃった。絆創膏ちょうだいって甘えてきたよ。だからちょっと好きだったよ、私のこと。But just want to explain, no? I didn't plan everything. What I do for you, what I show our workmates, our boss, how do I treat you in front of them, and then how how I act when we live together. It's natural. There's no plan like to become couple with my boss. It's genuine thing that I do for the Japanese. And I came from poor family. It's an opportunity for me to live in condominium. Sino ba naman yung ayaw ng makaka-experience ka ng tumira sa condominium, from nakatira ka sa mala-squatter na lugar, and then sino ba naman yung ayaw ng makakapunta ka sa mga restaurant na dati hindi mo naman napupuntahan. So, ginagrab ko lang yung opportunity na binibigay. And then, nagkataon lang din na nandun ka. Maybe it was destiny. They called. It's destiny. Okay. まあそれはもう分かった。あなたは you just follow your heart ね。
How about you?
私はフィリピンに住みたかったから、フィリピンにもう入れないっていうことがまず一番悲しかったのと、もっと一緒にいっぱい思い出作りたいなと思ってたけど、それも作れなくなっちゃうと思ってすごい悲しかったし、あとはあなた。私はフィリピン人とカップルになるってことは全然考えてなかった。なのにあなたとはちょっとどんどんクロスになってカップルになるかなみたいな思ってたのに結局ならなかったっていう。 から私は思ったよ。神様が私はフィリピン人とカップルになる運命はないって言ってるんだなと思って、じゃあもうそれは仕方ないと思って諦めた。Next question. Do you still remember when we sang First Love of 宇多田ヒカル?
覚えてる。
どういう気持ちだった？
We sang together the last night before going back to Japan, di ba? ない。ただのカラオケ。
歌詞知らないの意味。
知らない。
あの歌はカップルが離れる話だよ。I thought that you choose that song because you have that feeling.
Because it's my なんか日本語の歌歌える。So I selected that.
なんだよ。
それ意味ない。
だってあなたもふわふわだったじゃん。
So I recorded because it's 思い出のため。
なんだ。じゃあもうこの質問しなくてよかった。
ごめん。How about you?
How about you じゃねえよ。The last question. その後エアポート一緒に行ったでしょ、バイバイする前に車の中で私たちはキスをしようとしました。その時なんでキスしようとしたの？
やめて。We're trying to kiss. Maybe due toなんかalcohol na say. Wait na. After we drink in Resorts World, papunta na kami ng airport and then bumaba saglit yung driver and then magkatabi kami sa likod and maybe because of the alcohol, we knocked each other and then attempted to kiss but suddenly the driver came in
and then we was like
siyungan
we couldn't kiss, diba?
After that, nang ka-normal. Like, uy, staff and boss. Uy. Nahuli kami yung nagbilang hiwalay. Then, sumakay yung driver and then punta na kaming airport. Then, pagbaba ng airport, just drop na kayo and then hug. And then, no kiss. You want to kiss me that time? You want to kiss me? So, you have a feeling. Not me. Yes, a feeling. So, yun. Sa akin, it's, i-umuide. Just want to give you good remembrance. After namin maghiwalay, no? So, we're still part of the company. From that part, how do we become couple? Mahaba pa yung nangyari that time. We're excited to share to you the continuation of this story. So, abangan ninyo yan sa third part itong YouTube vlog namin. Hanggang dito na lang. Abangan ninyo yung kasunod na kabanata on our next upload. See you on our next vlog. Paalam!